This session has been segregated in 3 parts. In the first part, we will discuss about physical characteristics of a product, and in next 2 upcoming sessions, we will discuss about some mathematical calculations to decide how we can select a packaging material to avoid diffusion and infusion of gas, and also how we can decide the center of gravity of a product to avoid damage with an easy calculation method. Today, we will explore the essential physical characteristics of products that significantly influence the development of effective packaging solutions. Our focus will encompass the following attributes: weight, fragility, surface finish, and other relevant properties. Key considerations for effective packaging. Number 1, physical and physico-chemical characteristics, understanding the intrinsic properties of the product. This includes factors such as A. Weight. Heavier products may require sturdier packaging. B. Fragility. Fragile items require cushioning and protective materials to prevent damage. C. Surface finish. Products with sensitive finishes may require specialized packaging to avoid scratches or degradation. D. Size and shape. Complex shapes can complicate packaging design, impacting the choice of materials and methods. Number 2, distribution and handling. The method of distribution and handling should be carefully considered to protect the product from climatic hazards and mechanical stresses during transit. Number 3, marketing considerations. Packaging should not only protect the product, but also enhance its marketability. Factors to consider include A. Sales appeal. Attractive packaging can influence consumer decisions. B. Dispensability. The ease of use for consumers. C. Decorations and aesthetics. Visual appeal plays a crucial role in branding and marketing. Number 4, economic factors. When developing packaging, it is crucial to balance protection and cost. An effective packaging solution typically provides 95% to 97% protection. Achieving 100% protection may result in costs that exceed the product's value, negatively impacting profit margins. There are other side of this, which is the product characteristics and shelf life. During product development stage, based on product ingredients, shelf life R&D team decides a shelf life of a product. If the packaging material protects the product till its expiry timeline, then there is no need to go for 100% protection from packaging. Notably, packaging materials often account for approximately 60 to 70% of the total cost of the finished product. Considerations for packaging technologists before finalizing packaging materials. Technologists should assess 3 critical factors. Number 1, compatibility. Ensure that the packaging material is suitable for the product's chemical properties. Number 2, weakness of the product. Identify areas of vulnerability that require additional protection. Number 3, product sensitivity. Consider how external factors, as an example, moisture and light, may affect the product's quality. It is advisable to conduct trials with various packaging materials before making final decisions. Real-world examples of packaging based on product properties. A. Fresh fruits and vegetables. These should be packed in breathable films, such as cellulose acetate, to maintain freshness by allowing gas exchange. B. Light engineering goods, susceptible to corrosion These require cushioning materials to protect against moisture and surface damage. See pickles. The presence of oil and salt makes non-corrodable packaging essential. Glass jars are often used due to their inert nature, which helps preserve flavor and prevent leaks. Freeze-dried meat or fish. This product is fragile and must be packaged in an inert atmosphere with gas impermeability to maintain quality. Cosmetic items, like nail polish. Packaging must protect against evaporation of thinner and facilitate attractive printing for branding. In the next part, we will discuss about gas permeability of packaging films. Do like, subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for upcoming session.